noticed a common issue: 90% of people invest heavily in main-lightless layouts, yet when turned on, the space lacks a sophisticated feel. It is not due to a lack of taste, but rather because exceptional lighting effects require precise on-site execution. The detailed detailing of light node integration is what truly brings the intended design to life. To help more families enjoy a comfortable and harmonious lighting environment at home, I am sharing 6 essential lighting details we frequently use in our projects. It is precisely because of these details that the positive feedback we receive makes lighting design a truly rewarding and fulfilling profession. I hope these tips can help elevate the lighting quality in your own home. 1. Concealed lighting. For a sophisticated aesthetic, avoid surface-mounted linear luminaires. Not only do they cause visual glare, but over time, individual LEDs may fail. The most effective approach is to hide light sources in plasterboard coves, curtain pockets, or integrated joinery. The light undergoes diffuse reflection, producing a much softer and naturally relax within this gentle lighting environment. 2. Correlated Color Temperature Case DT. Select Case DT based on different design styles feature distinct materials. Even with the same Case DT, the visual effect and light color can vary. I recommend determining the Luminaire's Case DT based on the primary material finishes. For instance, in our Japandi and mid-century modern projects, we specified a warm 3000 Case DT. The overall lighting is warm and atmospheric, ensuring a highly comfortable living space. For minimalist designs, I suggest 3500,000. It keeps the space clean and modern while retaining a subtle sense of warmth. I rarely utilize 4000,000, saving it primarily for specific functional areas requiring task lighting. However, one key principle is to maintain Case DT consistency throughout the home. This is especially true within the same room. Case DT variances between adjacent zones should not exceed 500,000. This prevents visual adaptation issues where higher Case DT lights appear bright, making lower Case DT spaces seem overly dim by comparison. 3. Spotlight layout. Spotlights are designed for accent lighting or functional task lighting. Therefore, the quantity of spotlights used in a space must be carefully restrained. For accent lighting such as highlighting artwork, I recommend an optimal setback distance of 30 centimeters from the wall. At this distance, the beam angle and the illuminance on the painting are optimally balanced. It avoids overexposure from being positioned too close, resulting in a soft and comfortable output. 4. Material finishes. This is a detail often overlooked when designing main-lightless schemes. We have also encountered issues with highly reflective materials. I advise using low-reflectance surfaces where possible. Examples include semi-polished tiles, matte finishes, frosted surfaces, or textured fabrics. Ultimately, the goal is to let light settle within the space rather than bounce off excessively. This softens the overall illumination, creating a serene and premium atmosphere. 5. Luminaire selection. Do not rely solely on technical datasheets. Focus on the visual softness level of a space's lighting is something our eyes can easily perceive. Some spotlights claim a high Cree full spectrum, yet emit noticeable chromatic aberration or stray light, causing visual discomfort. When sourcing trimless fixtures, I recommend opting for manufacturers specializing in main-lightless systems. The optical control and light quality are significantly better than standard products, with a minimal price difference. 6. Installation details. This aspect is absolutely paramount. Proper installation directly dictates the final light distribution and visual performance. Below is a summary of spotlight and LED linear strip installation guidelines, along with key technical considerations. You may follow these guidelines for your installation. If you need a copy of this guide, feel free to reach out. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment below for discussion. I am always glad to assist those looking to optimize their home to deliver better lighting. Our team continues to study, innovate, and invest in our practice. We work hard to provide you with superior lighting design solutions. This allows more families to live in warm, comfortable, and sophisticated home environments. If you want to design light for your life, our team can tailor a bespoke lighting plan specifically for your space. I am Teacher Dong. If you found this helpful, please remember to like, follow, and comment. Thank you.